Welcome to Wedding Cakes for You, YouTube. Today I'm sharing a Sweet 16 birthday cake with a ballet theme, so stay tuned. This cake starts with my orange butter cake recipe, which you can find in my book, Wedding Cakes with Lorelei, Step by Step on Amazon. And this is a simple syrup, which you can add to your cakes for an extra boost of flavor and moisture. The filling here is an Italian meringue buttercream with white chocolate mixed in for a delicious combination with the fresh raspberry puree. Repeat for the second layer and top it off with a third layer. So I'm repeating the same process for the 8-inch top tier. This is the crumb coat, which holds the crumbs in place so that the final coat will be easier to apply. So onto the gum paste ballet slippers. Making gum paste shoes is not my forte, but I will run the video so you can watch how I did it. So once I practice these a bit more, I will share a how-to video on this channel. I made my slippers small because they will be hanging off the sides of the 8-inch cake, and I made my own template as well. Because this cake is for a Sweet 16 birthday party and she wanted something elegant but also youthful, I decided to stick with daisies and simple cutout flowers. The bottom tier is a soft pink buttercream, so you only need a few drops of food coloring for a full batch. Silver glitter ribbon is added right onto the buttercream for the glitz. Straws are used for dowels. You can see doweling videos on my channel, Wedding Cakes For You, or buy my book, Wedding Cakes with Lorelei, Step by Step, to see how to dowel a cake. This is a pearl border, which you can create using a number 12 Wilton tip. Shell borders are mixed in for a variety of texture, and this is a tip number 22, also a Wilton. Thanks for watching my video, and I hope you enjoyed my ballet-themed Sweet 16 birthday cake. I'll see you soon. I'll be here next Monday with another great tutorial, and also on Fridays with my Facebook Friday Live around 1 o'clock. See you then, and don't forget you can subscribe to my channel if you like what you see, and you can go to my website weddingcakesforyou.com and get a free copy of my buttercream recipe book. All right, we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.